Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best 10-minute pasta recipe with a cream sauce. That's simple, delicious, and your whole family will love. Maybe even your kitty. If you are new here, I know you're going to like this recipe. And when you do, you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for your support. Now, let's get spoon to pan. Any pasta recipe's got to have pasta. Get you some water, bring it to a boil, salt it, and put a little bit of olive oil in there. That will keep your pasta from sticking together. We are going to cook this for 7 to 8 minutes to just above al dente, just a little bit more than al dente. Then you set it aside. While our pasta is cooking, we're going to work on our creamy pasta sauce. You'll start with about 4 tablespoons of butter. We are using unsalted, and melt this. While our butter melts, I'm going to add to it 4 tablespoons, not no tablespoons. I'm adding 4 garlic cloves, and we'll just stir this in. When your garlic becomes fragrant, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is going to make your roux. To your roux, you will add 1 cup of milk. And add this slowly so that you can get all of the lumps out of your roux. You will now add another cup of milk after you have gotten all of your clumps out of your roux. We are using heavy whipping cream. You can use heavy whipping cream as well. I think that it makes it taste richer, or you can use milk. We now need to add some spices. We are putting in black pepper, Italian seasoning, and paprika. We're using a smoked paprika, my favorite spice in the cabinet. And just stir this in. Look at how thick and creamy. Our last ingredient that we're adding is Parmesan cheese. This is grated. We did use some of our cold smoked Parmesan cheese. You can use whichever kind of cheese that you would like and just stir it in. If it seems a little thick, just use a little bit of your pasta water till you can get it to the consistency that you and your family like. For a little extra freshness, I like lemon zest in my pasta. This is optional. If you don't want to use it, by all means, don't do it. And then we will add our pasta right out of the pasta water into your sauce. Just stir your pasta into that creamy pasta sauce. This is going to be a delicious 10-minute meal for you and your family. Time to serve this up. Look at all that cheesy white sauce. This is going to be a delicious meal. This can be served by itself as a meal with a breadstick, or you may want to choose to pair this with grilled chicken, scallops, or shrimp. We're going to get fancy. Our 10-minute meal, making it fancy. The favorite part of any cook is the taste. And you know nothing leaves the kitchen without going through the cook first. Oh, it smells so good. Mmm, so creamy. The Parmesan cheese, the pasta is perfect. I was a little worried that it was going to get overcooked sitting like that, but it didn't. It is perfect. This meal will be excellent. 10 minutes, guys, is all it took. I hope that you like this recipe, and I hope that you'll cook this in your home. If you did, you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. And until next time, take care and God bless.